flowers look like giant trees.
Shh! I think someone is hiding here. Look through the magic lens. What do you see?
Everything is so big. The grass looks like a jungle. Who is hiding in the flowers?
Shh! I hear a buzzing sound.
I have yellow and black stripes. Listen to the buzzing sound. Who am I? I'm a bee. Where are the stripes? Stripes. Who is buzzing? Buzzing. I have a red coat and black dots. I bring good luck. Who am I? I'm a ladybug. Where is the red coat? Red coat. Where are the black dots? Black dots. I have colorful, magical wings. I love to visit pretty flowers. Who am I? I'm a butterfly. Where are the magical wings? Magical wings. Where are the flowers? Flowers. I am very small but super strong. We always work together in a team. Who am I? I'm an ant. Who is strong? Strong. Where is the team? Team. I have long, strong legs. Watch me jump so high into the air. Who am I? I'm a grasshopper. Where are the long legs? Long legs. Who is jumping? Jumping.
That was fun! You're as smart as a bee. Let's find another friend.
I have huge eyes and 4 fast wings. I can fly super quick. Who am I? I'm a dragonfly. Where are the huge eyes? Huge eyes. Where are the 4 wings? 4 wings. I have a very hard armor shell. Look at my strong structure. Who am I? I'm a beetle. Where is the hard armor? Hard armor. Who is strong? Strong. I crawl on leaves and eat. One day I will turn into a beautiful butterfly. Who am I? I'm a caterpillar. Who is crawling? Crawling. Where are the leaves? Leaves. I have a long, sharp straw to drink. I fly very fast with my thin wings. Who am I? I'm a mosquito. Where is the sharp straw? Sharp straw. Where are the thin wings? Thin wings. Buzz, buzz, buzz. I move so fast. I have big eyes too. Who am I? I'm a fly.
Where are the big eyes? Big eyes.
Who is fast? Fast.
It's a Playlish time!
I have to go now. But first, make sure to hit the subscribe button and like this video.